Judge Cars back with another video, man. And y'all see the Miata. Before we start this video, make sure you guys follow, subscribe, the gram, bro. That shit's fucked up because my mom hit it already, bro. I don't know. Yeah, bro. I don't think I hit my shit. I don't remember hitting it, but maybe. And then make sure y'all subscribe to that. Make sure y'all do all that. But yeah, we are installing something really, really small today. Nothing major. Dude, did this get hit again? I swear, it looked like it got hit again. Like it looked like another mark, bro. But make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Like, I swear my mom keep hitting that shit, but like, or it's like swiping past it. But today we're just installing a mirror, suction cup mirror, because this car for some reason did not come with one. So I'm gonna keep this pretty short. I just need this mirror just so I could basically. I'm not sure why I did that, but here's my view right now. If I try to look back. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I needed a mirror. So boom, that should work. And that should give me the mirror that I need, right? That would be decent, right? You know, I don't know. Should I? Can I put it in there? I probably can too. Let me get a screwdriver real quick. Let me see if I could just take it out of here and just use the ball, but I don't know if it's gonna give me the right angle, you know what I'm saying? So let me see something real quick. Let me see. All right, guys, I'm gonna just put y'all right here and get this done. So I took off the little piece that was over there. And basically all you have to do is this suction cup. And that should be good. It has this little adjustment in the back, I think, to do that. So you could do that. But other than that, take this off. And we can see back. Hey. We could definitely see back. Here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust it up. Yes, sir. There you can see right out this mug. Yeah, no, we can see right out this John too. Trying to adjust it to how I need it. But that was it, guys. I needed one of those. I installed it. It was pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoy this little build, bro, that we got going on. If you want to see that, we could see to the back. Here, let's get you guys a little start up so that this video is a little bit longer than what it is right now. My whole car dealership. I'm surprised it's not making the noise right now. Surprising. Anyways. And then I need to go get gas. So that's gonna be like first things first. We're gonna go drop top. You guys have to see how you can see the back of the car. I know I didn't wait for it to warm, but oh, you know what I need? I need to get my garage closer. Or at least just close the garage. So, but yeah, at least see how we could see the back of me. Like that wing, boy. Yeah, bro, that shit looks nice. Okay, I like this. I like this setup. Maybe I could get like a panel to close that, but I like that. That mirror is decent. So there you go. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel JoJo Cars and just support everything that we got going on. Support this build. We got the parts coming soon actually for this car actually. So that's gonna be super fun. Just support this. We're on a new camera as well, so I don't know if you guys could tell the camera quality, if it looks different, better, worse. I definitely think it looks a lot like a little bit more crisp. That third camera is definitely working for us. So but once again, make sure you guys subscribe. Check out this build. I actually do have to fix like an exhaust leak in this shit too. That shit's, you can hear that shit. It sounds like you can hear it like from like right there. But remember, stay tuned to this build. This build is definitely coming along really, really fast, and it will be coming along really, really fast. So just keep staying in tune. What you see is what you get. I got nothing left to say. I don't want to make this too long. It's not gonna be more than 10 minutes, but here's the little mirror. Nothing left to say, and JoJo out. All right, y'all. Y'all be smooth.